Automating repetitive tasks in Windows. If you do something the same way more than twice a week, a computer should be doing it instead. Here's a ladder of automation options, from easiest to most capable. Start with what's already there. Task Scheduler runs any program or script at a time, at startup, or when an event occurs, and it needs no coding at all. Next, Batch Files. A text file with a few commands, saved with a BAT extension, can copy folders, clean directories, or launch a set of programs together. Above that sits PowerShell, a genuine scripting language with access to almost everything in Windows: files, services, users, network, the registry. Then there's Power Automate, which offers a visual flow builder for desktop and cloud actions with no scripting at all. And for keyboard and window automation, AutoHotkey remains unmatched. Start with one annoying task, automate it badly, then improve it over time.